Hi students, welcome to our 28th number topic, recollecting history. Just on in this topic we get information about recollecting history means our previous history. Okay, there are mixing of world and our country also. There have been some people and event of the past that will always be remembered around the world. This one in the world there are many people always remember for his great work. Okay, some of the people also known as the great scientist, great Maharaja, or there are many people. Okay, we can write the correct answer. Question first: Shivaji Maharaj was a great Daesh warrior. You also know that which Shivaji Maharaj is belonging to which warrior. Okay. Then second number, Adolf Hitler was the director of Daesh. Adolf Hitler is one of the great person and this is the हुकुमशहा आपण त्याला मराठीमध्ये म्हणू शकतो which is the country Adolf Hitler. Okay. Then third number, the Stone Age man made cloth using Daesh. Stone Age man, which type of cloth wearing? You can write the answer. Then fourth number, India become independent from British rule in Daesh. Which year India become independent from British rule? We can write the year of independence. Then fifth number, Napoleon Bonaparte belong to which country is the Napoleon Bonaparte? We can write the name of the country. Okay, here is answer. Then sixth number, Egyptian king. Egypt is one of the country king where Egyptian king were buried after the process of Daesh, burning, leaning, embalming. ज्यावेळेस इजिप्शियन जो राजा होता त्यावेळेस मेल्यानंतर त्याला केव्हा कुठल्या प्रोसेसनंतर त्याला दफनविधी केलेली आहे तर तुम्हाला त्याचं नाव लिहायचं आहे बर्निंग क्लिनिंग अँड एम्बॅलमिंग. ठीक आहे. देन सेवन नंबर, द सिल्क रूट लाईज इन Daesh. Okay, it is one of the interesting question. The Silk Route lies in Daesh, Nepal, China, Indonesia. We can write the correct answer. Then 8 number, the Daesh was constructed by a Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, which was the great spot. We can write the answer. Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. Then 9 number, Russia was initially a part of Daesh, USA or UK or USSR. Russia was initially part of Daesh. Then 10 number, the well was म्हणजे चाक. The well was invented thousands of years ago and used for farming, poultry, cooking. ज्यावेळेस चाकाचा शोध लागला, चाक गोल चाक, त्यावेळेस पहिल्यांदा कुठं यूज केलं होतं हे तुम्हाला इथं लिहायचं आहे. ओके, यू कॅन राईट द आन्सर अँड कॅन सेंड मी. थँक्यू.